Hi, I'm Jacqueline Smith, Clerk of the Circuit Court for Prince William, Manassas, and Manassas Park, Virginia. This video will provide basic information for people who have already been approved to perform one or more wedding ceremonies in Prince William, Manassas, or Manassas Park. If you have not already been approved as a celebrant and are looking for help applying for approval, please use the link below in the description of this video. If you have already been approved as a celebrant, congratulations on your approval. Celebrating weddings with our constituents is truly a joyous experience. This video will provide you with basic information to ensure that you have fulfilled the duties required of marriage celebrants in Prince William, Manassas, and Manassas Park, Virginia. You should be advised that if you do not fully complete your duties, the ceremony you have performed may not be legally valid, and you will be at risk of losing your celebrant privileges. Your certification allows you to perform marriage ceremonies anywhere in the Commonwealth of Virginia. The couple must present to you a marriage license issued by any Virginia Circuit Court clerk's office within the previous 60 days. For the ceremony, we've linked below a sample of some marriage vows. These are the marriage vows I use when I perform a ceremony. You can use this sample, a modified version of the sample, or use your own vows or vows provided by the couple. However, if you use your own version of vows, please ensure that they are legally sufficient. You're permitted by law to charge a fee for your ceremony. This fee must not exceed $75, although you may charge the same rate for a rehearsal. You may additionally charge for your mileage at the standard Virginia government rate. You may not solicit for tips, but if tips are offered, you may accept them. Before performing any ceremony, please review the marriage license. Verify that the license was issued by a Virginia Clerk of Circuit Court within the previous 60 days. Complete, sign, and return the portion of the marriage license labeled Marriage Certificate to the clerk that issued the original document. Whether you are a religious officiant or a civil celebrant, you must be sure to fill out all of the information completely. When filling out the marriage license, please be sure to use black ink. Virginia Vital Records will not accept marriage licenses in any other color. Be sure to complete each space on the marriage certificate section. Space number 26, date of marriage. Space number 27, place of marriage. Place of marriage should be listed as the county or independent city where the ceremony was held. If you're not sure if you're in an independent city or a county, you can look up the zip code on the internet. Space 28, type of marriage. Check religious or civil based on your authorization. Space number 29, certification and authorization. If you're authorized by the court, indicate Prince William County. If authorized by code, just check the box. Signature and title of officiant. If you're authorized by the court, your title is civil celebrant. If you're authorized by code, the title is the title as it appears in the statute that authorizes you. The address of officiant should always be listed as a street address. P.O. boxes will again be rejected by Vital Records. Once this section is completed on both copies of the form, the marriage license now acts as a marriage certificate. Both marriage license certificate copies must be returned to the clerk who issued the marriage license within 5 days of the ceremony. A marriage is not registered legally until the license is returned to the clerk's office by the celebrant. Our office will then send a certified copy of the marriage license to the couple within 2 weeks of receiving the original from the celebrant. Only a certified copy of the marriage license/certificate constitutes a legal document. If you choose to also complete the cream-colored commemorative certificate of marriage form, you must advise the couple that it is not a legal document and is only a keepsake. There is some documentation required by our office to remain in good standing on the civil celebrant list. You must maintain current and up-to-date contact information and notify us of any changes within 10 days. You must keep a log of all of the ceremonies you perform during the year, and on the 10th of January following that year, provide the list to our office. A few best practices we've learned over the years communicating with wedding couples is to always get a telephone number for the location where the ceremony will be held, as well as a telephone number for each member of the couple in case you have any difficulties. Always remind parties to bring their marriage license to the ceremony and confirm it is valid, that's less than 60 days since issue, before performing the ceremony. Thank you for taking the time to complete this orientation. We hope it has set you up for a successful practice performing weddings in Prince William, Manassas, and Manassas Park. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about other services we at the Circuit Court Clerk's Office have to offer.